Hello, and welcome to our fun and educational video all about spelling words with the letter A. In this video, we'll be introducing you to some easy and exciting words that begin with the letter A, and we'll show you how to spell them step by step. First up, we have the word apple. A, P, P, L, E. Can you spell it with us? Great job! Next, we have ant. A, N, T. Well done! Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. Airplane. A, I, R, P, L, A, N, E. Excellent! Alligator. A, L, L, I, G, A, T, O, R. Keep up the good work. And for our final words, we have anchor. A, N, C, H, O, R. Amazing job! And lastly, astronaut. A, S, T, R, O, N, A, U, T. Wow, you're doing great! Thanks for watching, and we hope you had fun learning to spell these words with the letter A. Remember to keep practicing and keep learning new words. See you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our channel and stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.